Hi, I've come to show you my little folio. This is made from a template from Pink Monarch Prints. I'll put the link below. And the papers I use called Whispering Florals, and they are right up my street. I absolutely love them. On the front here I've selected the words "Choose to be kind" because it's kind of emblematic of our group, I think. And that just velcros in, and it's got a little pocket and a tiny little journaling card, but it is backed on with cream card, so you can write something there, a little phone number, your address, this journal belongs to, whatever you want to write, and that just velcros down there so it's not flippy flapping around. Then it opens up, and it opens up, and it opens up some more. Look at that. It's so lovely. Let's deal with this flap first. It's got a big pocket on the front and it says kindness. It's got this lovely gold ribbon here and a little detail along there. And in here we've got a journaling card, all backed. And that just slides down into there, so you can grab that quickly and write on it. Then up here we've got some more gold ribbon, a little decoration, and it says lovely. And here we've got a notebook, quite a good notebook actually, coffee stained paper, some of Janya's lovely lined coffee stained paper, but quite a nice size notebook there. It's got a nice cover on it, made with papers from the kit, and that just slides in there. And then down to this section, just feast your eyes on that. It's so far up my street. It's at the top of the cul-de-sac, I tell you. Down here we've got two side pockets, gold ribbon down each one, and in each of these little pockets we've got some journaling space. So it opens up like that, but also on the back it's not dark, so you could easily write on there as well. So a deceptively large amount of journaling space really for what would be otherwise a little tag. So there's three of those on each side. Then at the back we've got this large pocket, and I've put inspiring there, a little ornamentation and a butterfly with a journal card that goes in there, nice size one, backed with a cream card, and that just slides into there. And then that folds over, and we've got this triple easy for you to say, staggered triple pocket. More gold ribbon there. This says Dreamer, and it's got three journaling cards in of increasing size as we go up, and they just fit down into there like that. And then that's it. That is your lot. That is our lovely little trifold folio. Just a feast for the eyes, I would say. So there we have it. Thank you for watching. Bye.